welcome back to another video. We came to Hulhumale for a short break, but then I decided it was time to make another video. But this time, after a very long time, it's going to be a travel video. Even though we can't travel anywhere except from Hulhumale since it's connected to Male. So, let's get started. So we're going to there in a while. Fun fact, the place where I'm sitting right now was actually underwater, but then they reclaimed the place and built it as an island. It's a nice place to go for a resort, vacation, or to live. Today it's Friday, so lots of people in Hulmale come to have fun and play in the weekend. We're going to have lunch at the Indian restaurant in Hulmale. We're just going to go inside. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is one of my friends, Vinal. He's one of my classmates' brothers. Anyways, let's go. We just had a super lunch, and it was bomb with Daraba. They have a garden which has tomatoes, chili, and many other stuff. Here's the balcony, and it's very small. And that's exactly where I was talking to you like a few minutes ago. Now I'm going to be playing with Vinal for now, and we'll go over to the water park in a few minutes. We're going to the bouncy castle now. Also, remember Vinal? Well, this is his sister, Kenley. She's one of my classmates. Well, let's go. Okay. Now we're going to be going for all of the rides. I'm having a good time in Hulhumale's water park. I think it might be the only one. But I'm going to take one more climb on that, then I'm going to stop.
How was it, Seth? How was it?
Good. But it also gave me a small headache because I was stuck in there for a while.
Oh, you were stuck inside for a while.
Yeah. Under there, you mean?
So Hullumale is fun, huh?
In Hullumale are very exciting. This is my first time in Hullumale, and see you in another video. It's probably a gaming one.